Hey guys, this is Nicole from Brondes Automotive Group, and I am here to show you how to use our online service scheduling tool. So come on over and I'm going to just show you that super duper quick. So when you get to our website, you'll click on service and parts and then just click schedule service. I am a new customer, so I am going to put in my car information. We do service and repair all makes and models, so I am going to put in a non-Ford just to kind of show you that a little bit. You are able to put an estimate on your mileage in here, or you can put in your exact mileage if you know it. They will check it when you are here. I want a quick lane service, and then the works package, which is an oil change, tire rotation, and an inspection. So you do have the option to stay or drop off your vehicle. We do offer both, and then it will show you your time slot options. Now, as you can see on the sidebar, it does break down all the information that you need. So it shows you your vehicle information, the service work you're getting done, and if you selected an advisor or anything. Now here you would just put in your personal information. I am just kind of filling this in because I don't want to tip off the service on a service that's not real. So you would just put this information in, and you can select whether or not you want to be emailed or text message. So if you want text, you can just do that, and then you would just click book appointment, and at that point you will get an email or a text confirming, and that is how you use our online service tool.